Imagine a vast dark expanse, the ocean floor miles below the surface, pressure crushing, darkness absolute. Yet, in this alien world, something remarkable exists. Thousands of miles of cable carrying data. These are the internet's lifelines, the veins and arteries of our digital age, unseen, unheard, indispensable. These cables are feats of engineering. They withstand immense pressure. They resist corrosion from salt water. They carry terabytes of data every second. They connect continents, enabling global communication. This is the story of submarine cables, their history, their importance, their future. The year was 1858. Queen Victoria reigned over Britain. The United States was on the brink of civil war. Communication between these two nations, slow and unreliable. It took weeks for a message to cross the Atlantic by ship. The solution? A daring idea. Lay a telegraph cable across the ocean floor. The challenges were immense. The cable itself, a marvel of Victorian engineering, made of copper wire, insulated with gutta percha, a natural rubber. Laying it was a nautical nightmare. Storms, technical glitches, and broken cables plagued the project. Finally, success. On August 16, 1858, the first transatlantic telegraph message was sent. It took 16 hours to transmit. A new era of global communication had begun. The first transatlantic cable was just the beginning. Soon more cables were laid, connecting Europe and America, then reaching Asia, Africa, and beyond. By the early 20th century, a global network of telegraph cables encircled the globe. These cables carried more than just messages. They carried news, financial data, and even military communications. They transformed international relations. They accelerated global trade. They brought the world closer together. Today, this network is even more extensive. Hundreds of cables crisscross the ocean floor. They span thousands of miles, connecting every corner of the globe. These cables are the backbone of the internet. They carry the vast majority of international data traffic. Without them, our digital world would grind to a halt. Modern submarine cables are marvels of engineering. They are designed to withstand the harshest conditions on Earth. At their core lies the optical fiber, hair-thin strands of glass that transmit data as pulses of light. These fibers are protected by multiple layers of shielding. First comes a layer of polyethylene insulation, then a layer of steel wire, providing tensile strength. Next, a copper or aluminum tube, adding further protection. Finally, a polyethylene sheath, guarding against abrasion and corrosion. This complex construction ensures the cable's survival in the deep sea. It can withstand immense pressure. It can resist attacks from marine life. It can even survive earthquakes and underwater landslides. Laying a submarine cable is a complex and expensive operation. It requires specialized ships and a skilled crew. The cable is laid out slowly and carefully, following a predetermined route. This route is chosen to avoid obstacles on the ocean floor. Mountains, trenches, and even shipwrecks can pose a danger. The cable is fed out from the ship via a sophisticated system. It passes through a series of rollers and tensioners, ensuring it is laid at the correct angle and tension. Once the cable reaches the seabed, it is buried beneath the sediment, protecting it from fishing trawlers and anchors. The entire process is monitored closely. Engineers use sonar and remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, to ensure the cable is laid correctly. Despite their robust design, submarine cables are not invulnerable. These vital communication lifelines, stretching across the ocean floor, are built to withstand harsh conditions, but they still face numerous challenges. They face a constant barrage of threats, both man-made and natural. Fishing trawlers are a major hazard. These vessels drag heavy nets across the ocean floor, often without realizing the damage they can cause. Their nets can snag and damage cables, leading to costly repairs and service disruptions. Anchors from ships can also cause damage. When ships drop anchor, they can inadvertently strike and damage these cables. Natural disasters pose another threat. The ocean is a dynamic environment, and natural events can be unpredictable. Earthquakes and underwater landslides can sever cables, disrupting communication networks instantly. Even marine life can be a problem. The ocean is teeming with creatures that can interact with these cables. Sharks, for instance, have been known to bite cables, mistaking them for prey or out of curiosity. These incidents can have significant consequences. A single damaged cable can affect millions of users. They can disrupt internet traffic, causing slowdowns and outages, frustrating users who rely on stable connections. In some cases, they can even cut off entire regions from the rest of the world, isolating communities and businesses. Repairing a damaged cable is no easy feat. It involves a complex and coordinated effort. It requires specialized ships and equipment, as well as skilled technicians who can handle the delicate process. The damaged section of the cable must be located and brought to the surface, a task that can be challenging in deep waters. Then a new section is spliced in, ensuring the cable can continue to function properly. This is a time-consuming and costly process, but essential to maintain global communication networks. When a submarine cable breaks, it's all hands on deck. First, the fault must be located. This involves sophisticated monitoring equipment. Once pinpointed, a repair ship sets sail. These aren't your typical vessels. They house specialized robots and skilled engineers. Imagine a robotic arm reaching thousands of feet. It grapples the broken cable and hauls it aboard. On deck, it's surgery time. The damaged section is removed and new fiber optic cable is spliced in. It's a delicate process, demanding precision. The repaired cable is then carefully lowered back to the ocean floor. It's a race against time. Every minute the cable is down, communication is disrupted, the pressure is immense. But these skilled engineers are the unsung heroes of our connected world. Section 8. Monitoring and maintenance, ensuring seamless connectivity. Maintaining these underwater lifelines is a 24/7 job, requiring constant vigilance and expertise. Think of it as a global network checkup, happening constantly, ensuring that every connection remains intact and functional. Specialized monitoring stations are strategically placed around the world, each equipped with advanced technology. They keep a watchful eye on the health of the cables, monitoring for any signs of trouble. They can detect even the slightest changes in signal strength, which could indicate a potential issue. These changes could indicate a potential problem, allowing for quick intervention before it escalates. Regular maintenance is also crucial, ensuring that the cables remain in optimal condition. Just like a car needs a tune-up, so do these cables, requiring periodic checks and repairs. This involves sending out remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, which are essential for underwater inspections. Think of them as underwater drones equipped with cameras and sensors capable of detailed inspections. They inspect the cables for signs of damage or wear and tear, ensuring any issues are promptly addressed. They can even clear debris away from the cables, preventing potential disruptions. This proactive approach helps prevent outages and ensures the smooth flow of information across the globe, maintaining our digital world. Section 9. The Internet's unsung heroes, the importance of submarine cables. We take it for granted, the ability to send an email across the world in seconds, to video chat with loved ones on another continent, to access information from any corner of the globe. All of this is possible because of submarine cables. They are the unsung heroes of the Internet age. They carry over 99% of international data traffic. Without them, our world would be a very different place. Global trade would slow, communication would be hampered, our access to information would be severely limited. These cables are not just technological marvels, they are vital to our economy, our society, and our way of life. They are the invisible threads that connect us all. Section 10. Future of the deep advancements in submarine cable technology. The story of submarine cables is far from over. Researchers and engineers are constantly working to improve them, to make them faster, more reliable, and even more resilient. One area of focus is increasing bandwidth, the amount of data a cable can carry. This is being achieved through advances in fiber optic technology. Another area of research is developing new materials that are even tougher and more resistant to damage. Scientists are also exploring new ways to power cables. Currently, they rely on electricity from land-based stations, but researchers are investigating ways to use ocean currents and thermal energy to power cables. These advances will ensure that submarine cables continue to meet the growing demands of our digital world. Section 11. Our connected world. A testament to human ingenuity. The next time you send an email, stream a video, or make an international call, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of submarine cables. These cables, stretching across the ocean floor, are the backbone of our global communication network. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect with one another. The intricate process of designing, manufacturing, and laying these cables is a feat of engineering brilliance. From the Victorian engineers who laid the first transatlantic cable to the scientists and engineers who continue to innovate today, we owe a debt of gratitude to those who have made our connected world possible. Their pioneering spirit and relentless pursuit of progress have paved the way for the seamless communication we enjoy today. As we venture further into the digital age, one thing is certain: submarine cables will continue to play a vital role in shaping our world. These cables are not just technological marvels, they are lifelines that support our digital economy and social interactions. They are the invisible threads that bind us together, reminding us that even in the vast expanse of the ocean, we are all connected. Every message sent, every call made, and every video streamed is a testament to the power of human innovation and our unyielding desire to stay connected.